The Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats on the planet, captivating scientists and conservationists alike with its unique beauty, solitary habits, and incredible resilience. Known scientifically as Panthera pardus orientalis, this subspecies of leopard is native to the temperate forests of the Russian Far East and northeastern China, particularly in the mountainous region of Primorye. It is distinguished by its strikingly thick, pale yellow fur that can grow up to 7.5 centimeters in winter, covered in widely spaced black rosettes and spots. This leopard has evolved with specialized adaptations to survive in the harsh, snowy climates of its range, which sets it apart from other leopard subspecies that typically inhabit warmer tropical regions. Historically, the Amur leopard once roamed across northeastern China and the Korean peninsula. However, habitat loss, poaching, and prey depletion have drastically shrunk its range, confining it to a small pocket of forest in Russia's Primorye Krai, with only a few individuals occasionally found across the border in China. Today, it's estimated that fewer than 100 Amur leopards remain in the wild, earning it a spot on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's IUCN Red List as critically endangered. Despite conservation efforts, the Amur leopard's population is still vulnerable, primarily due to the destruction of its forest habitat and illegal poaching for its beautiful, highly valued coat. The Amur leopard is an agile and stealthy hunter. It is known for its powerful limbs, which enable it to leap up to 19 feet horizontally and 10 feet vertically. This incredible jumping ability, coupled with a top speed of around 37 miles per hour, makes the Amur leopard one of the most skilled and elusive hunters in the animal kingdom. Typically, its diet consists of roe deer, sika deer, hares, and small rodents, though it has also been known to take down young wild boars. The leopard often drags its kill to a secluded spot where it can eat undisturbed, and may even stash it high up in trees to prevent scavengers from stealing its hard-won meal. Solitary by nature, the Amur leopard lives a predominantly nocturnal lifestyle, patrolling its territory and hunting under the cover of darkness. Males and females only come together briefly during the mating season, which occurs between January and February. After a gestation period of about 90 to 105 days, females give birth to litters of 1 to 4 cubs, though typically only 1 or 2 survive to adulthood. Cubs stay with their mother for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills before venturing off to establish their territories. Unlike many other leopards, the Amur leopard has evolved several unique adaptations to cope with the freezing temperatures and snowy conditions of its range. Its thick, dense fur not only insulates it from the cold but also provides camouflage against the snowy and rocky terrain of the Russian Far East. Additionally, the Amur leopard has longer legs than other leopard subspecies, an adaptation that helps it move more efficiently through deep snow. Even the leopard's unusually large paws act like snowshoes, distributing its weight and preventing it from sinking too deeply into the snow. These physical traits allow it to maintain an advantage in the competitive environment of the temperate forest. Despite its awe-inspiring adaptations and physical prowess, the Amur leopard faces numerous challenges. Habitat loss due to logging, agriculture, and human encroachment has fragmented its range, making it difficult for leopards to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. Furthermore, illegal poaching remains a significant threat, as the Amur leopard's distinctive coat can fetch high prices on the black market. Conservation efforts in the region have intensified over the past decade, with organizations such as the WWF and the Russian government establishing protected areas like the Land of the Leopard National Park, which spans nearly 650,000 acres. This park serves as a safe haven for Amur leopards, protecting not only the leopards themselves, but also their prey species and crucial habitat. In recent years, advances in conservation technology have offered new hope for the Amur leopard's survival. Camera traps have become invaluable tools, allowing scientists to monitor the leopard's population and behavior without disturbing their natural habitat. DNA analysis from scat samples provides insights into the genetic diversity of the population, which is crucial for understanding the health of this dwindling group. Efforts to reduce human-wildlife conflict, prevent poaching, and engage local communities in conservation activities are slowly yielding positive results, with a modest but steady increase in the wild population observed in recent years. Interestingly, the Amur leopard's behavior is somewhat different from that of other leopards due to the unique challenges of its environment. For example, while most leopards are known for their adaptability and broad diet, the Amur leopard's prey is often limited by the availability of ungulates in its restricted range. The scarcity of prey forces it to hunt over a larger territory, which can span up to 200 square miles for males and around 50 square miles for females. This expanded territory is essential for finding enough food to survive, particularly during the harsh winter months when prey animals are more scarce. Another fascinating aspect of the Amur leopard is its vocalization, especially during the mating season. The calls of an Amur leopard are described as more raspy and guttural compared to other big cats, and they communicate with low growls, roars, and even a sound known as proustin, or chuffing, which is a friendly, non-threatening vocalization common in big cats like leopards and tigers. This chuffing sound serves as a way for the leopards to communicate without provoking aggressive responses. The Amur leopard is also notable for its incredible eyesight, which is 6 times better than that of a human in low light. This gives it a significant advantage when hunting at night, as it can detect the slightest movement in the shadows. However, despite its sharp senses, the Amur leopard is vulnerable to competition from other predators, including wolves and Siberian tigers, which share parts of its range. In fact, the Siberian tiger is known to kill leopards over territorial disputes, though this is a rare occurrence given the scarcity of both species in the region. The Amur leopard's genetic bottleneck remains one of the biggest hurdles for its recovery. Due to the small population size and low genetic diversity, the leopards are more susceptible to diseases and genetic defects, which could potentially impact their long-term survival. Conservationists have proposed various solutions, including the potential introduction of leopards from captive populations to increase genetic diversity, though this idea is met with challenges, as captive-bred animals often lack the necessary survival skills for the wild. In addition to their ecological importance, Amur leopards hold cultural significance. They are celebrated as symbols of wilderness and resilience, and their plight has attracted global attention, inspiring conservationists and animal lovers worldwide. This attention has been instrumental in driving international efforts to save the Amur leopard and secure its habitat. Through education, community engagement, and continued scientific research, there is hope that the Amur leopard will continue to roam its native forests for generations to come. With each new generation of leopards born in the wild, scientists see a glimmer of hope that this remarkable big cat will one day recover fully, reclaiming its place as one of nature's most beautiful and resilient predators.